Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. My name is Athar. Hope you guys are doing great. तो आज हम हैं गोपी चिकन कलेक्शन में, जो कि हम हमेशा एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स होस्ट करते रहते हैं अपने चैनल पर। इनका कलेक्शन प्योर हैंडवर्क लखनऊ की चिकनकारी मिलेगी आपको यहाँ पे, एंड ऑल जेन्यून आर्टिकल्स यहाँ पर मिलेंगे आपको। और मैं कुछ अनाउंसमेंट करना चाहूँगा, थोड़ा सा आपका टाइम लूँगा व्यूवर्स, बाकी मैं कंट्रोल सर को दूंगा, वो आपको और जानकारी देंगे, इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे अपने शॉप के बारे में और आपके बिजनेस टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस के बारे में, ठीक है। तो एज यूजुअल COD अवेलेबल नहीं है, शिपिंग भी फ्री नहीं है, लेकिन शिपिंग दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में होगी, शिपिंग चार्जेस आपको बेयर करना होंगे। और ये जो शॉप है गोपी चिकन कलेक्शन, ये लखनऊ के काफ़ी प्रोमिनेंट लोकेलिटी में बेस्ड है, जिसका नाम है बालागंज। तो आप लखनऊ आने वाले हैं तो आप विजिट डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं लखनऊ गोपी चिकन कलेक्शन। अदरवाइज यू ऑलवेज हैव एन ऑप्शन टू डू ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, एंड दैट्स आवर मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव, ठीक है, ताकि आपको घर बैठे शॉपिंग कराएं, आप घर बैठे शॉपिंग करें दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से। तो ठीक है, ओवर टू यू सर, थोड़ा सा आप इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए, हमारे नए सब्सक्राइबर्स ऐड होते रहते हैं, तो अपने टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन बताइए, होलसेल का क्राइटेरिया बताइए।
Sure. So hello, welcome to Gopi Collection.
Thank you.
So we are basically manufacturer of chicken curry goods, and we have been in business around 3 decades.
Okay.
And talking about our minimum order quantity, that is around 50 pieces, not less than that.
Okay.
And जो भी आपकी क्वांटिटी है 50 pieces, उसमें आपको at least 5 pieces हर डिजाइन में लेने पड़ेंगे।
अच्छा।
Means you have to take the designs in the set. Means
okay, so you mean to say when you say wholesale buying 50 pieces, do you mean to say assortment or set wise?
No, set wise means
set wise.
Yeah, you have to take at least 5 pieces in each design.
Okay.
Means there is no any means you have to take the sets which we are making, not like that. You can take the different colors and different sizes.
Okay, of your choice.
It is customizable as per the customers and the parties.
All right.
So that's not the issue.
All right.
And talking about the shipping, our shipping is available all over the world, and we have export license and everything.
Very good.
No issues on that.
Okay.
And we provide customization as well. Means if you want to take any customized design, we provide that also. But in that you have to give order of at least 100 pieces in each design, not less than that.
Okay. So customization is also possible, but with a condition that you'll have to take buy minimum 100 pieces.
Yeah.
In each design.
And quantity is not the issue.
Okay.
You can take 1,000 pieces, 2,000 pieces. So that's not the issue. But
higher
you have
the
to
quantity,
take,
higher.
Yeah. But you have to take at least 50 pieces.
Okay.
Yeah, that is
Fine.
our criteria.
All
not less
right.
than that.
All right.
I'd like to tell about my offices as well.
Okay.
So yeah. So our manufacturing unit is in the Balaganj area.
Okay.
And if you want to visit our sampling outlet, that is in the Chowk area, you can visit that also. In that place you can see the samples and everything and place the order. And you can visit our manufacturing as well, that is in the Balaganj,
where we are at present.
Yeah, we are in Balaganj right now.
Okay, fine. So without wasting much time, let's quickly explore Gopi Chicken collection. Stay tuned throughout the episode, viewers. Don't skip the video, because it may so happen that if you miss the video, if you skip it, then there are chances that you may miss on very important article or segment.
Yeah, we have different patterns as well. Means many new patterns are added. So we will show that also, and some running designs which are getting good sale on the regular basis. We have that also.
Very good. So could you tell me what is the today's segment going to be all about?
So like we are manufacturers, so we deal in all kinds of chicken curry goods. Means in the normal range, medium range.
Cotton, Georgette.
Yeah, cotton, Georgette, viscose, rayon.
Pure Georgette.
Pure Georgette is also available. So different type of fabrics and varieties are there. Low range, medium range, high range.
Okay.
So our price range starts from around 200 and that goes up to 30,000.
All right.
So we have all kinds of chicken curry products.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
For such a detailed information. So let's explore Gopi Chicken collection, viewers. Stay tuned.
Sure.
And what are the sizes available?
Sizes are 38 to 46. All the patterns which I will show you, sizes are 38 to 46. This is Dolby cotton fabric and it is dyeable to any color. It is a Angarkha pattern. The price is 1300 and dyeing cost is extra.
Now we will see one dyed article.
Yeah, this is the dyed article of the Dolby cotton fabric. And the staple thread, the thread which is used on this is staple thread. You can see it is a shiny thread.
All right. बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल हमारे सामने आ गया।
ये भी आपका मल कॉटन फैब्रिक पे है एंड इट इज डाइबल टू एनी कलर।
पीछे लो। अप एंड डाउन पैटर्न है क्या? नहीं, ऊपर का
Front open gown. This is front open gown, and it is dyeable to any color.
वेरी गुड. एंड
The price is 1100 with dye. This is also a mull cotton fabric, printed mull cotton fabric. Staple use is staple thread, and price is 600.
ठीक है.
ये भी आपकी प्रिंटेड कुर्ती है मल कॉटन में, एंड स्टेपल थ्रेड इज यूज्ड ऑन दिस आल्सो, एंड इट इज अ रियली प्रीमियम एंड गुड प्रोडक्ट, एंड इट इज हाई डिमांडिंग प्रोडक्ट.
ठीक है. एंड
Price is 600.
600. ओके.
All the prices which I am telling you are wholesale prices, and minimum order quantity is 50 pieces, not less than that.
ओके.
It is also a mull printed kurti, and price is 600.
ठीक है.
So this is modal set, and the thread which is used is staple thread. Why I am focusing on the staple thread? Because most of the manufacturer are using cotton thread, and they are saying that it is a staple thread, but actually it is not, because staple thread is a shiny thread, and the work which is done it is really fine work. So that's why I am focusing on the staple thread.
इधर ऊपर करना, इसको पूरा दिखाना. शरारा दिखाइए इसका नीचे. यस. व्हाट इज द प्राइस?
Price is 1000 for the set.
1000 for this. What about this?
This is a brasso fabric.
Brasso.
Yeah, it is a printed brasso fabric. You can see that the already print is there, and thread is staple thread on this also.
Okay. And what is the
And
price?
price is 600.
Okay.
This is a mull gown. मैंने अभी आपको इससे पहले जो मल कुर्ती दिखाई थी उसी में गाउन पैटर्न्स है. सो प्राइस इज 875.
Very good. Next.
Same staple thread is used on this also.
Staple thread. What do you mean by staple thread?
It is a shiny thread, means it is a variety of रेशम thread. Means इस पे जो वर्क आपका आता है ना काफी फाइन आता है.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी.
एक धागा उठ के दिखता है मतलब.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. And it is a shiny, so it looks really good on the product.
Very good. And what is the length approximate?
Length is around 52 inches,
All
52 to 54 inches.
Next.
Means it will go to ankle length.
Okay.
This is a modal fabric, but it is a printed modal fabric, and thread is staple thread, and price is 850. Length of this product is 46 inches. Sizes as told you for 38 to 46.
Next.
This is modal short kurti, and length is 32 inches, and is a short kurti, and the thread is staple thread, and it is really fine work, and it is a good product, and it has really good demand.
Price?
Price is 600.
Okay. अरे बताइए.
This is modal fabric. It is a long modal fabric kurti. 46 is the length, and same staple thread is used on this also.
Very good.
And size जैसे मैंने आपको बताया 38 to 46 सब में आपको मिलेंगे. जितनी भी डिजाइन आपको दिखाई जा रही है सब में 38 to 46 साइज मिलेंगे आपको.
अगला.
This is a mull gown, different print. Means एक आपको इससे पहले दिखाया गया था उस पर different print था, and this has different print, and staple thread is used on this also. Price is 875. Same.
Very good.
This is modal gown. Means I have shown you modal kurtis and everything. This is a modal gown, and length is around 52 to 54 inches. Sizes 38 to 46. Price is 1000, and thread is used staple thread.
ठीक है. Next.
It is a floral print cotton gown. Means it has print, and it is called floral print fabric, and chicken work is there all over, and price is 750.
All right. Next.
I think this is the shan of all anarkalis. You must have seen anarkali, but it is the biggest anarkali which you can see in this price range. It is called 56 anarkali, 56 kali anarkali.
And what is the price?
Price is 1100.
All
It is really high demanding product.
Okay. So these are all wholesale prices, viewers. Let me tell you.
All the wholesale prices.
And let me make one thing very clear. There is no retail buying option available at this shop. Okay. Only and only wholesale buying is allowed. Next.
It is a resham anarkali, means the thread which is used on this anarkali is resham thread, and it is a multi-color thread, and price is 1600.
All right. Next. Beautiful dress.
It is also a resham thread anarkali,
This is
but
very
it is a
pretty.
tone to tone fabric, tone to tone thread used, means white thread is used on the white fabric,
Wow.
and price is same 1600,
1600.
Yeah.
All right.
because it is a resham thread,
Hmm.
so that's why.
Again, beautiful article. Black.
No, navy color.
Achha, is it navy blue?
Yeah, it is a navy
I
blue
can't
color.
really make it out.
Yeah, it is a
Anyway,
navy
and
blue.
this has shadow work, na?
Yeah, shadow work, and it is a really good fabric, and the price is 700.
Shadow work is not easy. Look at this.
This is a front open anarkali, means you can see open style in the front, इसीलिए इसको front open anarkali बोलते हैं, and price is 600.
All right. Next.
It is called yoke anarkali pattern.
Yog.
Yeah, yoke anarkali.
Yoke.
Yeah, and price is 600.
Price
Sorry,
is
625.
625. Okay.
Yeah.
इसके बारे में.
This is a light anarkali pattern, and price is 500.
Very good.
It is the lowest anarkali. Means the price is lowest.
Yes. Low priced.
Yeah, low priced anarkali.
All right.
This is a gown pattern in the georgette fabric. Length is 32 inches, and price is 400.
All right. Next. Beautiful article, viewers.
This is the voile anarkali pattern. Means the fabric which is used is voile cotton, and the thread which is used, it is giving a good look, and it is really fine work, and price is 650.
650, na?
Yeah. This is a cotton fabric, and it is really heavy work, and price of the product is 450. It is tone to tone design, means the fabric and the thread which is used are of the same color.
बताइए, बहुत प्यारा कलर है, देखिए.
It is also a cotton fabric, and the same design जैसे आपको मैंने पहले दिखाई थी वही सेम है, but in this white work is there, and it is heavy work, and price is 450. This is also on the cotton fabric with white work, and it is called rose pattern cotton kurti, because you can see rose pattern on the neck, so that's why it is called rose pattern, and the price is 350. This pattern is also on the cotton fabric, tone to tone pattern, means same color as of the fabric, and the price is 375.
All right. Next.
ये भी आपके कॉटन फैब्रिक पे है, टोन टू टोन, एंड प्राइस इज सेम 375.
Next.
This is also on the cotton fabric, price is 375. All the patterns which I am showing you right now, all are the new patterns, and are on the cotton fabric.
All right. Next. So due to time constraint, it is not possible for us to showcase multiple articles in a single video, right? So we have, shortlisted, we have selected a few ones so that you get a fair idea of what is available at Gopi Chicken Collection.
Yeah,
so
and,
broader view, please visit the shop, or you have a video call with them. They will show more articles to you on video call, over video call,
And
right?
whenever the party will contact, we will share the
Catalog as well.
Yeah, and all the patterns will be there in the catalog, and prices will be there.
Yes.
So
I would highly recommend that you please visit Lucknow once at least, because
Yeah.
Lucknow is known for this chikankari handwork. So I think bulk buyers, I think they should definitely pay a visit actually once at least.
and whenever they visit Lucknow, they should visit Gopi Chicken Collection.
Gopi Chicken, yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. You have to visit Gopi Chicken Collection.
Kashmiri kurti, Kashmiri booty kurti. Price is 240.
All right, next.
And this is a cotton fabric, printed cotton. Price is 270.
Cool. Next.
This is a Ari work kurti. Price is 350.
All right, next.
Ari work kurti in cotton fabric, 330 price.
All right, next.
This is a voile cotton fabric and full jal work is there, and it is a really fine work, and price is 950.
Very good. Next.
Voile cotton fabric and price is 650.
Cool. Next.
Really good fabric
Yes.
and work.
Voile is cotton only, na?
Yeah, it is a cotton fabric, but it is a fine cotton fabric,
Fine.
and the work done on this is really fine.
Really fine. Very nice. And what is the price of this kurti? Sky blue?
650.
650. Okay. Next.
This is a white cotton kurti on the on the cotton fabric, and price is 375.
All right. Next.
Ari work kurti on cotton fabric, price is 330.
Cool. Next.
This is a computer work.
Hmm.
Computer work on the cotton fabric, price is 280.
All right. Next.
It is called cotton button kurti because
Potli
it has
button, potli button.
cotton button means because it is a cotton fabric and it has button on the neck, so that's why it is called cotton button, and price is 350.
All right.
It is a cotton fabric and it is dyeable fabric, and it is a shaded set because you can see means नीचे का जो आपका color है it is a little bit darker and जो ऊपर का है वो light है, so that is why it is a called shaded. So it is a set of kurti and plazo, and price is 750.
Next. Lavender color. ये बहुत कलर डिमांड में है आजकल लेवेंडर
This
कलर
is the same product of the shaded set, and the price is same 750. Different color.
750 for both?
Yeah, for both.
Okay.
It is a wholesale price.
Yes, wholesale price. All right. Next.
And these are dyeable, and so I will be showing you all the Georgette patterns. This is Georgette fabric kurti, and it is a short kurti. Length is 32 inches and price is 375.
All right. Next.
This is also on the Georgette fabric with the rose pattern, and price is 350. It has daman work, booty work, and gala work.
All right. Next.
This is jal work kurti on the Georgette fabric. Price is 500. It is full front jal.
ठीक है.
This is on the Catnic Georgette. Means
Catnic.
हाँ जी, Catnic Georgette जो होता है वो आपका बहुत ही फाइन जॉर्जेट होता है, and this is the best Georgette fabric. एंड इससे ऊपर आपके विस्कोस एंड प्योर जॉर्जेट ही होते हैं सिर्फ, एंड प्राइस इज 400.
ठीक है.
एंड दिस इज आल्सो ऑन द कैटनिक जॉर्जेट, प्राइस इज 400. डिफरेंट पैटर्न,
शैडो वर्क.
या शैडो वर्क. एंड दिस इज द जॉर्जेट फैब्रिक, and price is 350 for this design also. It has daman work, gala work, and booty work.
All right. The only one word that I could memorize, viewers, is the shadow work. Rest all other works I am familiar, but I cannot memorize them. Anyway,
Yeah.
so what's coming up next?
Yeah, this is on the Georgette fabric. Nowadays, mirror work is really
In trend,
famous.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it is on the trend. So it is on the mirror work. And let me tell you that all the Georgette fabric kurtis, means if you need, we can get it done the mirror work on the Georgette fabric kurtis. We can done it on the price was please tell me, show you the
Yeah,
design.
this is what is the price of this kurti?
It is 450.
Acha, only 450 wholesale price.
450.
Okay.
Means let me tell you, means all the Georgette designs we can get the done mirror work, and the cost for that will be 100 rupees for the mirror work. Means on any design mirror work can be done.
So do you mean to say that the one kurti that we are seeing, we are witnessing, the cost of this is 450?
Yeah, 450
with mirror work.
Yeah, with mirror work.
Excluding mirror work would be 350. You mean to
350.
say? Do you mean to say that?
Yeah.
All right.
Means जितनी भी आपके पैटर्न शो कर रहे हैं, in that we can get it done the mirror work, but price will be 100 rupees extra for that.
for those articles.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. इसका एक फोटो लेना है, एक मिनट.
Georgette fabric, गला बूटी कुर्ती, price is 320.
Okay. 320 ना?
Yeah.
Next.
This is a jal work kurti with the rose pattern, and price is 450.
Okay. Next.
ये भी आपकी जॉर्जेट फैब्रिक पे है, and it is called बूटा डिजाइन, and price is 350.
Okay.
This is the pattern with the gota work, gota patti work, and in this also means on any design gota patti work can be done. We are showing you the one sample for that. Price for this is 420.
All right.
Means 100 rupees cost is extra for the gota work
All
on
right.
any design.
All right.
And it is a Hakova Georgette fabric. Price is 425.
All right.
This is also on the gota patti work and price is 450.
Hmm.
This is multi-thread work and keel jal it is called. Design name is keel jal, and because it has all keel work and the jal pattern, so that's why it is called keel jal. And price is 440.
Hmm.
Start.
What about this?
This is also on the Georgette fabric with multi work, and this is a different pattern and good pattern, and price is 450.
All right.
So we are showing you one pattern in the low range in Georgette fabric, and it is a RE work full jal pattern. Length is 38 inches for this, and price of this product is 200.
ठीक है. Wait.
This is on the viscose fabric, and this is the best fabric in the Georgette fabric. Means it is a premium fabric of the Georgette, and the thread which is used is resham thread on this, and it is a dyeable, fully dyeable fabric and thread, and you can see this is a dyed product. And price for this kurti, it is a short kurti, and price for this is 1400.
All right. Next.
This is organza fabric, and this is also dyeable, and with the Mukesh work, price is 1500.
Okay. Next.
ये आपकी मसलिन फैब्रिक है, and with the Mukesh work, and price is 1500, dyeable to any color.
Next.
This is jal work kurti with the ring work and Mukesh work, and ये भी आपकी dyeable fabric है, viscose पे ही है, and price is 2200.
All right. Next.
This is on the viscose fabric with ghas patti work and staple thread, and dyeable to any color, and price is 1800.
This is simply wow.
Yeah.
Wait.
It is really good, and it is called ghas patti work.
Ghas patti work.
Work kurti, and with the thread
Mukesh
which
work?
is used, yeah, Mukesh work, and resham thread is used on this, not the normal cotton thread. It is a resham work, and it is dyeable to any color, viscose fabric, and price is 2500.
All right.
This is a angarkha pattern, and it is on the viscose fabric, and plus the resham thread is used on this fabric also, and price is 2700.
All right. Next. Short kurti in Georgette viscose fabric.
And this is also a gown pattern, short gown pattern on the viscose fabric with the resham thread, and price is 1650.
Okay. Next.
This is also a angarkha pattern, and the thread which is used is resham thread, and price is 2500.
ठीक है.
It is a short kurti on the resham thread with the viscose fabric, dyeable to any color, and price is 1800.
ठीक है. Next. Next.
And you
Achha,
can
you
take
have
it,
a-
yeah,
okay.
you can take it as a set as well, and the price for this sharara
Sharara.
is 1600.
Okay. ठीक
Means
है.
you can take it as only kurti or only plazo, or you can make it as a set also.
Okay. Fine.
This is a anarkali pattern, and on the viscose fabric, and it has full jal work, means on the front and on the back also. Back दिखाओ इसका. See, you can see that the same work as on the front, वैसा ही
And
work
reverse
आपको
side.
back में भी मिलेगा. And price for this product is 4000.
ठीक है.
We will be showcasing all the premium product in the unstitched items. Means all the unstitched item we will showcase. And this is on the organza fabric, and it is dyeable to any color, and it has Mukesh work, ring work, and different type of works are there on this. And price for this product is 3300.
ऑल राइट नेक्स्ट.
This is also on the viscose fabric and dyeable fabric, and it is a dyed product as well. And it has gota patti work. You can see all full jal gota patti work, and price for this product is 3500.
ऑल राइट नेक्स्ट.
This is called Farsi work. Means
Farsi?
yeah, Farsi work. Please zoom in the design.
फारसी.
Yeah, it is.
ओके. मतलब ईरान से है क्या ये कम? ईरान वाला है?
हाँ जी, ईरान वाला टर्म है, बट
ओके.
जो काम है वो लखनऊ का ही है.
हाँ.
एंड
नहीं लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट वही है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. कॉन्सेप्ट मींस नाम वहाँ से आया है, बट काम लखनऊ से आया है.
ओके. इसका क्या प्राइस है?
प्राइस इज 3300.
ओके. नेक्स्ट.
And this is Mukesh work, full jal Mukesh work, dyed product, unstitched suit piece on the viscose fabric. 70 gram viscose we are using.
ओके.
And all the item which I am showing you have kurti fabric and dupatta fabric.
ओके.
And price for this is 3500.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट.
Viscose fabric with multi thread of the resham thread. Means the multi work which is done is of resham thread, and it has mirror work as well on the bottom, on the daman. And price for this product is 3500. And dyeable to any color.
नेक्स्ट.
And it is a really premium product and good product on the organza fabric. And you can see blue work, that is pearl
Neckline.
work. Yeah, neckline pearl work. All this is pearl work. And it is really good product and has good demand, and price for this product is 3300, dyeable to any color, organza fabric.
नेक्स्ट. दिस इज आल्सो फारसी वर्क.
Yeah, this is also a Farsi work on the dyeable cotton fabric. You can see Farsi work on the neck and full jal work of the chikankari on the fabric, and it is a kurti fabric and the bottom fabric.
What is the price?
Price is 2500.
Okay. And all only two na, shalwar and bottom na?
Yeah, in this salwar and bottom, and all other products kurti and dupatta.
SKD. Okay.
Yeah. Organza viscose fabric, 70 gram viscose fabric, and Mukesh work. Price is 3500, dyeable to any color
All
as
right.
per the demand.
Next.
This is viscose fabric suit piece, and some pearl work is there. That lining, that is a pearl work, and some mirror work on the bottom, and gota patti work. Price is 3500.
All right. Next.
This is full jal poth work suit piece. It is called poth work. You please zoom in the
Yeah.
work. You can see little pearls are there. So all these pearl work is there. Full jal pearl work is there, and price for this product is 3800. And dyeable to any color. It is really premium product and has really good demand, mainly in the foreign countries, in India as well. And
Okay.
it
So
is a really
do
good
you offer stitching facility as well?
yeah, we are providing stitching facilities as well, because most of the clients who are from the foreign countries, so they need a stitching facility. So we are providing stitching facilities as well, but extra charges are for that.
All right. Next. ये एकदम प्रीमियम सेगमेंट शुरू हो रहा है चिकनकारी में और विस्कोस फैब्रिक में, ठीक है?
हाँ जी.
तो
So,
ये क्या है बताइए?
ये ऑल दी अनारकलीज विच आई विल शोइंग यू, इनकी जो रेंज रहेगी आपकी 6500 to 7000 से स्टार्टिंग होती है, एंड दैट गोज अप टू 15000. Means whenever you contact us, I will tell you the prices, means our staff will tell you the prices. So then prices will be disclosed. Whenever you contact us, you can share the screenshot, and different patterns keeps on changing. So that's why we are not disclosing any prices for the anarkali patterns. Whenever you will contact, we will show you the designs, and then we will tell you the prices.
इसके बारे में कुछ थोड़ा सा डिटेल देंगे आप?
Yeah, it is really premium and good product. You can see the multi work. It is a resham thread, and you can see the mirror work, full jal type mirror work, and you can see pearl work as well on this. Means different type of works are there, जिसमें आपका pearl work भी है, mirror work भी है, रेशम thread का भी multi work है. Means एक टोन का वर्क होगा पूरा का पूरा आपका. So different type of works are there, and it is a really good and premium product.
ठीक है.
This is also an Anarkali pattern, full jal ring work, and let me tell you that they are full jal means the back and front of these Anarkalis is exactly same. पलटो इसको पीछे पलटो. You can see this is the back of the Anarkali, exactly same, means the back and front is full jal. So we will tell you the prices whenever you will contact us. Really premium design of the Anarkali, viscose fabric, 70 gram viscose fabric with the pearl work, big pearl work, you can see that, and really good fabric and premium design, and prices we will tell you whenever you will contact.
ठीक है. Yes.
Multi work, resham thread work, and gota patti work, mirror work, different type of works are there. Really premium design of the Anarkali pattern. This is really different pattern and different design of the Anarkali. It is called front open style Anarkali. You can see it, front is open in the bottom and bottom work is there. So this is really premium design on the viscose fabric, 70 gram viscose fabric, and Mukesh work is there on these Anarkali, and all the Anarkalis which I am showing you are from 7,000 to 15,000 or 6,500 to 15,000.
ठीक है. इसका फोटो लेना है.
ये भी अनारकली जो है आपकी ये फ्रंट ओपन स्टाइल में ही है, बट इन दिस यू कैन सी रिंग वर्क ऑल्सो, मीन्स विद मुकेश वर्क एंड रिंग वर्क. दिस इज द अनारकली ऑन द विस्कोस फैब्रिक, 70 ग्राम विस्कोस फैब्रिक.
ऑल राइट. तो व्यूअर्स मैं बता दूं, इनके प्राइजेस नहीं बताए जा रहे हैं. इनके प्राइजेस का रेंज दे दिया था सर ने, 15 से लेके 17,000 के रेंज में है. 10,000 से लेके
नहीं, आपके जो प्राइस रेंज है ये इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 6,500 एंड गोज अप टू 15,000.
अप टू 15,000. आई एम सॉरी, 6,500 से शुरू होती है एंड इट गोज अप टू 15,000.
या
ओके. सो एग्जैक्ट प्राइस के लिए आपको कांटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि जो लोग स्किप कर देते हैं तो उन्हें मालूम नहीं पड़ता है, तो दैट्स द रीजन हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं.
Because patterns and designs keeps on changing, so whenever you contact us, we will share you the designs which are available. So according to that, we will tell you the prices.
All right.
This is really good work, and it is full jal mirror work Anarkali with the gota work and mirror work. You can see full jal mirror work and full jal gota patti work, and it is really premium design.
ऐसे रहना.
This is really premium and good design on the viscose fabric, 70 gram viscose fabric, and full jal ring work is there, means Mukesh work and full jal ring work is there, and back and front is exactly same. And these all are unstitched items, means sides of these Anarkalis are not stitched, and gala design is not made, so neck pattern is not made, so all these are unstitched. But all the foreign countries, means all the clients from the foreign countries, we have stitching facilities for them.
All right. Next, poth work, na?
Yeah, it is poth work. Really premium design with one tone, that is the sea green tone. All the sea green tone pearl work is used on this, and resham thread is used of this sea green color, and full jal poth work is there on the Anarkali, and it is really premium design.
Beautiful. Next.
It is really a good product, and you can see pink tone, means the pink tone which is used is of pearl work and the resham thread, and you can see full jal mirror work as well, and all the work on this is extremely premium and different patterns.
Look at the work. I am giving a close-up view.
These are dyeable as well, means you can get it dyed to any color as per the requirement.
ठीक है. Wait,
This is our one of a kind product, and you will normally not find this product in the market. This is full jal Farsi work. I have shown you some patterns of the Farsi work only on the neck work, only on the neck, means suit pieces I have shown you in the video. But this is Anarkali with the full jal Farsi work. Panel work is there of the Farsi.
Beautiful, huh? Beautiful.
You can zoom in the picture.
Yes, yes. Very nice.
Really good work, and it has pearl work as well. So different type of works are there on this anarkali.
Okay.
It is really premium product.
Let me click a photo.
We will be showcasing the bottom wear, which starts from around 200 and that goes up to 1200. Means different products and different fabrics are used. Cotton, georgette, viscose, rayon, different fabrics are used. So this is the starting range, and it has work in the
Work
bottom.
on the hem.
Yeah, and it is a cotton fabric.
All right. Next.
This is also a pant, cotton pant with the work chikankari work.
All right. Next.
This is a cotton pant with the color options. Different color options are there. Around 10 colors options are there in this, and different type of work is there.
Next.
This is a lycra fabric. It is a stretchable fabric, and chikankari work is there on the bottom.
Till the ankle length. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Next.
ankle. It is a cotton fabric plazo, and work is there.
Okay.
And it is a rayon fabric, means the fabric used is rayon, and chikankari work is there on the item.
All right. Next.
This is a georgette fabric, and lining is also provided in the inside. So there is no need of extra lining. Lining is already provided in this.
ठीक है. Next.
Different pattern on the georgette fabric. Same price, and but different pattern of the georgette fabric.
All right. Next.
This is a sharara pattern, means it has very big flare. This is a sharara pattern of the georgette fabric, and lining is included inside.
Next.
Different pattern of the sharara pattern, means price will be the same, but pattern is different.
All right. Next.
Plazo, georgette plazo with the mirror work, and mirror work can be done on any item as told you.
All right. Next.
Georgette fabric with the gota patti work and chikankari work.
Next.
This is georgette fabric plazo with the mukesh work.
All right. Next.
Yeah, but that's all.
All right.
अच्छा ये है भी. This is viscose fabric. Viscose fabric.
Again with lining.
Yeah, with lining, and mukesh work is also there. We will be showcasing the cotton and georgette suit pieces and nuri pieces. Nuri pieces means only kurti pieces.
Okay.
So it is only kurti piece on the kota fabric and printed fabric. So I am not telling you the prices. You can contact us and I will tell you the prices. Our price range start from 600 and that goes up to 2500 in this in this variety.
Okay.
This is also on the cotton kota fabric with the chikankari work.
All right. Next.
जल्दी ले हटाना. This is also on the cotton fabric with the chikankari work. Different type of work is there. This is full jal on the cotton fabric.
Next.
This is also on the cotton fabric suit piece. This is all 3 pieces, and it has panel work and on the cotton fabric chikankari work.
Okay. Next.
3-piece polka dot suit piece. Gala work and booty work is there on the cotton fabric.
All right. Next.
This is cotton rishte, means rishte cotton is called. It is a really good cotton fabric, and chiffon dupatta is provided with this suit piece.
All right.
It is a 3-piece. With the bottom is also there in this.
All right. Next.
This is also on the cotton fabric with the booty work and the gala work.
Next.
3-piece suit piece. This is a nuri piece, means only kurti piece, full jal, georgette fabric.
All right. Next.
This is also on the georgette fabric, 3-piece suit piece, means kurti, bottom and dupatta is included in this, and with the panel work, georgette fabric. This is low range cotton fabric, means low range product with the cotton fabric, with the gala and booty work. This is full jal voile cotton fabric.
Voile.
Yeah, it is a voile cotton, and it is full jal and really premium and good work.
Next.
This is also on the voile cotton fabric with the panel work and gala work.
ओके
full jal cotton fabric, 3 piece. Cotton fabric with the booty and the gala work.
ऑल राइट नेक्स्ट
3 piece it was. This is also 3 piece suit piece on the georgette fabric with jal work and gala pattern is there. This is full jal suit piece on the georgette fabric. Satsar georgette is used on this, and 3 piece it is kurti bottom and dupatta is included.
ऑल राइट
So we will be showing you all the sari patterns, and different sari patterns are there. We will not tell you the prices. You can contact us and we will tell you the prices, as there is shortage of time, so we will not tell you the prices. You can contact us and we will tell you the prices.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट
And sari price range start from 600 and that goes up to 3000, 3500.
ओके डिपेंडिंग ऑन द वर्क
Yeah, it is
Amount of
georgette.
work.
Yeah, it is georgette fabric and net work is there and keel work is there. So different type of works are there in this.
नेक्स्ट
And in all the sarees which we are showcasing, it has blouse fabric. So all type of fabrics is included. You just need to stitch that.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट
This is also on the georgette fabric. Saree pattern is there. This is georgette fabric and white work and really good and fine work is there on the saree.
नेक्स्ट
This is full jal saree. You must have heard about this.
फुल जाल
Yeah, full jal means पूरा pattern दिखाओ. See, full jal is there. So it is really good fabric and good work is there on this.
approximately what would be the wholesale price of this
I will tell you the prices of this. It is of 3500.
ओके फाइन लहंगे के बारे में बताइए
This is on the viscose fabric, 70 gram viscose fabric. Multi work is there. All multi work is of resham thread, and mirror work is there. Different type of works is there. Works are there, and gota patti work is also there. And price range for all the lehenga which we are showing is from 15,000 to 25 to 27,000.
ऑल राइट
Whenever you will contact us, we will tell you the exact price of the lehenga.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट
And this is show करो उसको दिखाओ. This is the घेर of the lehenga.
दिस इज द लहंगा एंड दैट वाज द
Skirt. It is that was the dupatta.
दुपट्टा
That was the dupatta, and it is skirt.
एंड वेयर इज द टॉप टॉप एंड
Top is included in this.
included in this okay
Yeah.
fine so price range
Price range starts from 15,000 and that goes up to 25,000 to 27,000.
all right next ये लहंगा देखिए
This is really good lehenga
ऊपर,
on the viscose fabric, 70 gram viscose fabric, and 70 gram is the best fabric of the viscose, and it is on the full mukesh work, full jal mukesh work, and this is the skirt of the lehenga, and this is the dupatta, and the choli is also included in this.
all right एक okay ये
This
देखिए
is the dupatta, and choli and everything is included. Means you just need to stitch, everything is included in this.
all right
This is the choli pattern.
choli pattern
This, yeah.
very nice next
This is a full jal mirror work lehenga. This is the skirt of the lehenga with different type of work,
हाथों पर लेना
kota patti work, mirror work, and
एक
really
मिनट।
heavy lehenga.
yes heavy लहंगा
This
and
is
what about
skirts.
this
And this is the dupatta,
दुपट्टा
dupatta fabric, and choli is also included in this. So जो भी आइटम्स मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, इन सब की प्राइस रेंज 15,000 से स्टार्टिंग है,
ठीक है
25,000 से 27,000 तक रेंज आती है.
ठीक है
आप जब इन कांटेक्ट करेंगे, वी विल टेल यू द प्राइजेस.
ठीक है अब थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड थैंक यू टीम थैंक यू सो मच आप लोगों ने इतने एफर्ट लिए और काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे डिज़ाइंस दिखाए काफ़ी मेहनत लगती है इनमें भी व्यूअर्स देखिए मैं आपको एक बात बोलना चाहूँगा, जब लखनवी चिकनकारी की बात आती है तो ये बहुत डेलिकेट से आइटम्स होते हैं, इसके पीछे बहुत मेहनत होती है
And
ना।
it takes time
ये हमारा
also.
इंडियन आर्ट है, इसको प्रमोट कीजिए प्लीज़। और जो वेंडर्स होते हैं, जैसे ये मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं, इन्हें भी काफ़ी मेहनत होती है, इन्हें डिज़ाइंस बनाना है ना, कारीगरों से, वीवर्स से फॉलो अप करना।
Different teams are there for that.
तो देर आर डिफरेंट टीम्स इन्वॉल्व, तो काफ़ी कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है इसमें, काफ़ी सफाई का काम करना पड़ता है इसमें, ताकि कोई थ्रेड एक्स्ट्रा ना रह जाए, कहीं कुछ फटा ना हो आर्टिकल, तो काफ़ी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखना पड़ती हैं। थैंक यू सो मच, आपने इतना सारा एफर्ट लेके इतनी सारी चीज़ें दिखाई हमारे व्यूअर्स तक। एंड व्यूअर्स, हम गोपी चिकन कलेक्शन हमेशा अपने चैनल पे होस्ट करते आए हैं, है ना, काफ़ी सालों से। तो काफ़ी ये इस्टेब्लिश्ड हो गए हमारे चैनल पर, लोगों ने काफ़ी बाइंग भी की है यहाँ से, है ना, बल्क बाइंग की है, एंड पीपल आर वेरी हैप्पी अराउंड द ग्लोब। तो इसी तरह से प्लीज़ कीप सपोर्टिंग एंड शो योर लव। And last but not the least, please do subscribe to our channel Metro Heights so that you keep getting latest notifications, updates from us. और एक चीज़, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा प्लीज़, है ना।
Yeah, please subscribe.
हाँ, तो वाइंड अप करने से पहले कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हैं आप?
Yeah, I will like to just invite all the wholesalers, retailers, and person who want to start their business. If they want best products and with the best prices, so I'm inviting them. And but please note that our minimum order quantity is 50 pieces, and we will not provide less than that.
Very good. तो फाइनली मैं ये बोलूँगा कि हैप्पी शॉपिंग,
Yeah, sure.
है ना। थैंक यू।